Hi, I'm Terry with Cornerstone. Believe it or not, this outdoor full masonry wraparound kitchen and bar can be built in less than a day. That's right, it's full masonry, got real limestone countertops. You can get it with all these appliances, and you can build it easily and within a day. I'm going to go over all of its features, show you what to expect, and then at the end, I'm going to show you how you can build it. Okay, let's meet the Unity L outdoor corner kitchen and bar. Why is it the Unity L? It's cleverly named for its L-shaped corner bar, in which can easily seat 4 adults, 1 here and 3 down this long end. Actually, I love it. I'm all done. Gotta get back to the dogs. It comes with natural limestone countertops, 2-inch thick slabs, in sizes that are easy for you to handle as a DIYer and install. You can get it with an optional sink, and we'll even cut this slab for you. Of course, adding a sink will add expense, probably not very DIY because you have to run water and plumbing and drainage for your outdoor kitchen, but if you want it, that's there. And if you want to run electrical, you can get this stainless steel outdoor fridge. Fits perfectly. There's 3.2 cubic feet. Let's talk about this fridge, because this isn't some dorm fridge you get at your big box store. This is a UL listed for outdoor use, real stainless outdoor kitchen fridge. Very handsome, easy to install. And although there are bigger fridges out there, this is the 3.2 cubic feet, and it easily holds 4 cases of drinks. That's a 12 pack right there. These adjustable shelf slide. You've got your controls. Automatic closing door. Of course, it locks.
Having an outdoor fridge that locks is key. It's great for keeping critters out of your food and kids out of your alcohol.
Inside this fridge, it's bigger than it looks. And here's a 12 pack. And I thought that the 12 pack two 12 packs would fit on the bottom, but that's not the case. I guess for the compressor, there's a little hump in the back. So you are not gonna be able to fit, you can fit 12 cans down there, but you're not gonna be able to fit a whole case down on the very bottom, just so you know. We haven't really talked about storage, but we really recommend this drawer unit. Let's look at it for a minute.
We recommend the drawer unit over the cabinet, not because we want more of your money, but in the long run, I think you'll be more satisfied. The drawers are waterproof. As you can see here, these papers have been in here for weeks. I just had 4 days of rain and everything is completely dry, whereas the cabinet is just an opening to a masonry cavity, and this masonry will stay damp. The Unity L is made of solid masonry through and through. It has plenty of counter space for the working area at 12 square feet. The outside is bar stool height and features a toe kick, and all of your guests have plenty of room on their own section of natural limestone countertop for eating and drinking.
So as you can see, there's plenty of room to serve 4 people, to have drinks and food, accessories, with or without the sink. There's enough room to even get messy like a real kitchen. When we talk about the Unity L, we want to talk about who is it for, how can it be used. Well, first, I don't know if you're familiar with our Unity series of kitchen components. They're all made to fit together. So this, of course, fits into that system. It also matches all of our outdoor components like our fireplaces and fire pits. But as far as the kitchen goes, this is just one of many modules, and you can add more modules. If you wanted more of a straight kitchen, you could add on modules down the side. You can turn the corner and come this way. You can do both. You can set another module out here. So it really fits in our outdoor kitchen module section. They're all made to just tie into each other. But this one has the L shape, and I want to talk about where you might want to use it. This is really great along the side of a patio, like if you're pressed for space. Of course, you can't really put it in the corner because you need to be back here to get to it, but you can put it near a corner, and this could be actually along the side of your patio. And if this were the side, guests would still be able to walk up, would still come up to it, and be able to have this L shape You might have your kitchen here, or maybe making an L shape or a U shape around there, but they would still be able to come up to the bar. Here's the edge of your patio, and it can still be used. Of course, you could put it out in the middle, but this one is able to be used up against the side of a patio with no problem. So this is great when you want that sort of entertainment space, sort of that serving area for your outdoor kitchen, but you're sort of cramped for space and you can't get, for instance, maybe a wraparound one. So this is where the L shape comes in handy. It's got 12 square foot of countertop space up here. Of course, that's when the sink's not here. You'll have to take out for the sink, but that's what we've got here. And this is great for serving drinks, prepping your food, serving guests. You can have all your area here. You'd be cooking on your kitchen area this way, and this is sort of where you would interface your guests. So that's why this one doesn't have any cooking modules, but of course, if you need them, just add it. We'll be happy to sell you as many as you need. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Okay, yeah, that's about it for me. This is it for the Unity L-shaped outdoor corner kitchen and bar. Hopefully you stuck with me. You saw how this isn't just some run-of-the-mill stainless roll cart you get at a big box store. This is a full masonry, natural limestone countertops, built-in outdoor kitchen with listed outdoor appliances. Fits all of our other outdoor kitchen modules. You can add on to it. You can put it with it. It'll match your fireplace. And you can have it for cheaper, faster, and easier than you ever thought you could. Be sure to like and subscribe. I go over all of our outdoor kitchen modules, how to build them, what to expect, and find out which ones are right for you.